Hello, what's up? Another customer guys. Yan. Ay, palit tayo ng stud bolt. Tapos linis na rin, cleaning na rin. Kasi daming kalawang. Yan. Okay pa naman yan. Tagal pa yan. Alright. Yan, linis na lang yan. Pinabili natin yung may-ari ng brake cleaner. Alright. Mirage G po. Alright.